በስመ አብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ አሐዱ አምላክ አሜን። በስመ አብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ አሐዱ አምላክ አሜን። በስመ አብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ አሐዱ አምላክ አሜን። ሚካኤል ስዩም ስዩም ሊቀ መላእክት ሚካኤል ስዩም ስዩም ሊቀ መላእክት መዝገበ ርህራሄ መዝገበ ርህራሄ መዝገበ ርህራሄ ወየዋሃን መዝገበ ርህራሄ መዝገበ ርህራሄ መዝገበ ርህራሄ ወየዋሃን ሚካኤል. So take your right hand and your left hand and put your thumb in between your middle and your ring finger. This is the fidel for me. So to make it Michael, we just put it on top of our shoulders and then turn our fingers towards the screen or away from you. Siyum, take your both hands, right and left. Use just two fingers and put those fingers together. Then you're going to take those fingers, put it right on top of your heart. And if you don't know where that is, that's right by your left shoulder. Liqe. So take your right hand, put it into a fist, take out your pinky and your ring finger. And then with the rest of your fingers, you should have a circle. Then put it on top of your forehead and bring it down. Melaekt is similar to Michael. The only difference is that your fingers are going to be together. There's no thumb in between and none of your fingers are going to be going anywhere. So just put your hands and your fingers together right on top of your shoulder and then point it right at the screen or away from you. Mezgebe. So take your right hand and your left hand and put it as if it's a book right in front of you. Now it's going to be closed. Open it up and then take your right hand, put it into a fist, use your thumb and your pointer finger to create an invisible pen and just put a dot on the page of your book. Mezgebe and then Rehrahie. So take your right hand, put it into a fist, take out your pointer and your middle finger. Cross them so that you make, if you know American Sign Language, an R. So just cross your pointer and your middle finger. Put it right on top of your heart, and that's where your left shoulder is. And make 1, 2, and on the third time, you're just gonna pause. Rehrahie. Weyewahan. Weyewahan, you're going to take your right hand, put it straight, put all your fingers together, and your thumb is just going to bend. So it should look like that. Then you're going to take your left hand and make a little umbrella. That's what I said in class, right? If not an umbrella, a roof for your person. So imagine it's raining, you're going to take the umbrella and cover it, and then it stops raining, so you bring it down. Weyewahan. Very good. That's all the signs that you need to know. Let's do it with Zema. Michael Siyum Siyum Liqe Melaekt Michael Siyum Siyum Liqe Melaekt Mezgebe Rehrahie Mezgebe Rehrahie Mezgebe Rehrahie ወየዋሃን ዘማሪ መላእክትን ያስማልን። አሜን።